the world is hard, Ghana is hard, everywhere is hard. So every day we need data bundle to perform our day-to-day activities. So in this lesson, I'm going to reveal to you the new short code that you can use to get 1 gig data bundle at only 50 pesos. So please, if this is your first time watching this video on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button for all, like and share this video with your friends and family members. Alright, so make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Let's quickly launch our dial pad. Let's quickly dial this short code *138# and let's click on send. When you click on send, let's select option 1. When you click on send, let's select option 1. So choose option 1. To choose option 1, let's go to option 2. Let's go to option 2, select option 2, which is midnight data bundle. So when you select the option 2 again, let's select option 1. When you select the option 1, let's select another option 1 again. Please, a menu like this will pop up, so we have to enter between 0 to 2 cities 99 Ghana cedis. So I want to buy 1 gig data bundle, or I want more than that. But before we continue, I want to cancel this and check my data bundle that I have in my account before we continue, so that you know whether this trick is real or not. So let me cancel it and dial *124#. Let me dial *124# for you to see the data bundle that I already have. So I have 9,802.99 megabytes as data bundle on my phone. Alright, so let's go back and dial the code again, *138#. Click on send. Then a menu will pop up for you to select option 1. Proceed to buy data bundle. Alright, then let's select option 2. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button for all. Let's select option 1. And let's select option 1 again, which is midnight bundle flexi. Midnight bundle flexi. So you choose between 0 to 2 cities 99 pesos. So let me select 1 cedi and click on send. So you are proceeding to buy midnight bundle. With the 1 cedi, you get 2.42 gigabytes, and this bundle does not expire. This data bundle offer doesn't expire. So click on option 1 again, buy, and send. Then you choose your payment mode. I'm paying from mobile money, so let me select option 2 as my payment mode. So the prompt will soon come. Alright, so if you are waiting for the prompt and it is not coming, just dial *170# and send. When you dial that, then it will come like this. Just enter something to cancel it. So when you enter your password, they will ask you to approve it. So click on yes. This thing is not going to work. Alright, I know it will not work. So let's quickly dial *170# once again. Then you select option 6, my wallet. Then you select option 3, my approvals. Then you enter your mobile money PIN 2. approved a debit transaction of 1 cedi. So click on OK here, and let's wait patiently for the confirmation message from MTN. Alright, so let's quickly go into my message inbox. We have a message there from MTN confirming that we have successfully purchased 2 gig data bundle. So you have successfully purchased 1 cedi midnight bundle and received 2 GB data bundle. This bundle does not expire. So guys, this is the new secret code that you use to buy cheap data bundle. You buy 2 gig data bundle with 1 cedi, then you buy 1 gig data bundle with 50 pesos. So now let me quickly check my data bundle balance before we end these tutorials, because when we start I show you the amount of data bundle that I'm currently having. So let me quickly dial this code *124#. Then I click on send. When I click on send, then this is my balance. So it's now 12,284.38 megabyte data bundle. So if you like this video, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button for all, like and share this video with your friends and family members to also benefit